Welcome to Nat English Learning Family. Today we will talk about how people understand the thoughts and feelings of others. Many people believe that reading minds means having a magical ability, but in reality, it is mostly about observing behavior carefully. Human communication does not rely only on words. In fact, researchers suggest that a large part of communication comes from body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice. For example, a person may say that they are happy, but their body language might show the opposite. Their shoulders might be tense, or they may avoid eye contact. When we pay attention to these signals, we can better understand what someone is truly feeling. Another important skill is observation. People often reveal their emotions through small movements that they do not notice themselves. These can include tapping their fingers, crossing their arms, or changing their tone when discussing certain topics. By noticing these patterns, we can learn more about their thoughts and reactions. Empathy also plays a major role in understanding others. Empathy means trying to imagine how another person feels in a particular situation. When we listen carefully and avoid judging too quickly, we can build stronger connections with people. This skill is useful not only in personal relationships but also in professional environments such as workplaces, schools, and negotiations. However, it is important to remember that reading people is not about controlling them. Instead, it is about improving communication and creating better understanding between individuals. When we observe respectfully and listen attentively, we can communicate more effectively and avoid misunderstandings. In conclusion, the ability to understand others does not require special powers. It simply requires awareness, patience, and the willingness to observe human behavior carefully. Now, let's go for a multiple-choice questions. You can go back, listen, and pause the audio to find the answers. Let us check the answers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe or follow for more.